Any broken bones? That's what I like to hear, man. Oh, that was nasty, bro. Hey, you seeing stars at all? No. Did you black out? You popped right back up. I've done this before, too. I'm like
feel where it's, you feel that?
Oh, here?
Yeah, it's out.
Oh, you might have.
Feel out. Is it more broken or something in there?
Well, that's the
AC ligament?
Yeah, it broke your separation is what that's called.
Yeah,
have you had this bump before?
Huh?
Have you had that bump before?
No.
Yeah, okay,
that's fresh.
This is your collarbone, this is your scapula, it's a ligament joint, and you probably broke that.
You separate.
But you never, it might be dislocated too. I can't tell if it's dislocated too or if it's...
Can you get your shirt off?
Yeah. No, yeah, no need.
Don't worry about it.
Oh,
yeah.
It's definitely tender.
Is it?
But you
is it?
move
did you feel like a wrenching, like muscle tearing pain?
You know, I've done like
like
knees and shit. It doesn't.
Head, so basically.
It definitely feels like a joint pain, you know, but I don't know if it's if I tore anything.
Can you reach
oh no,
out?
you separated your shoulder. I'm positive. If that bump wasn't there before, you separated, or you broke your collarbone. One of the two.
No. Collarbone.
Yeah, the AC separation, it feels just like floaty.
Yeah, AC is weird.
Yeah, it just feels real floaty.
I mean, you can tear your AC.
I'm sorry, man.
Me too.
But it does look like it's drooping.
Oh, yeah, there's something wrong with it, man.
Do you want to get back to the truck before more pain sets in?